If you are able to see the screen and able to listen my voice properly, please let me know in the chat window. Thank you very much. So today class is about the next part. It is nothing but how to create a project, how to work with the e-commerce project. Okay, most of the Angular topics are completed, and today we are going to discuss about the implementation part. So this week complete project oriented thing. So right now, Control S, project first. So first step, creating the layout. Today's class is about creating the layout related one. So we are using Angular with Bootstrap. What is the one we are using, sir? Angular with Bootstrap. Sir, how to do this one? How to do this one? So I'm going to live this one. Angular batch 44 project first class. So guys, this video is available for you for today, and go through the video and understand the video and practice the same, sir. Practice the same. The first thing, what is the one we are doing, sir? Angular with Bootstrap. So how to integrate this one, sir? Very simple. First one, download download the Bootstrap files. What is the one, sir? Download the Bootstrap files. What is the website, sir? www.getbootstrap.com. What is the website we are having, sir? www.getbootstrap.com. Let me show you this. Able to access this Google account. So this is the website, sir, and there is a download button is there. It will automatically redirect to the file or folder. So observe the first one, download. You will get all the files, sir. You will get all the files. So you need to copy these files into a separate folder. We need to copy these files in this folder. We are having, observe, what are the files will be there? CSS files will be there, JavaScript files is there. So next step, sir, what is the next step? Download the Bootstrap files. Second step, place all the files place all the files in the assets folder. Sir, where is assets folder? In the SRC we have one folder. What is the folder, sir? Assets folder. Place all the files in the assets folder. CSS files as well as what? JavaScript files. CSS files as well as the JavaScript files. Just a minute, I guess it is giving the issue. Okay, let's not waste our time. So see sir, I am copying the assets folder into our project folder, into our project. Do the same. 44 example 1 src. What is the folder sir? Assets. So this is the place we are going to put all our external javascript file as well as the css file as well as the images. That is why the name itself is what sir? Assets. And that is why we call it as what sir? Assets. And other name for assets is nothing but resources also. Sometimes in the project we name it as what? Resources, but by default it will take what is the name sir? Assets. Now we copied the one. Next step, third one, load the css and javascript files in src index.html. What is the file we are having sir? Src index.html. Let me show you. In our src folder we have what is the file? Index.html. Here we need to load our files. What is the file we are having sir? Link tag. Now tell me what is the file I need to load? Assets slash bootstrap.css. Sorry, it is in the CSS folder. That is why what is the answer? Assets slash bootstrap CSS slash bootstrap.css. So right now, observe in the SRC, it is available in what folder? Assets. That is why what is the name, sir? Assets. And what is the next one we are having? CSS. Next one we are having what is the file sir? Bootstrap.css. So in this way we are going to load our bootstrap css, and in the same way bootstrap framework also provides some javascript related thing. That is why we need to provide what's the javascript. Now observe what is the tag I am writing. Script src equal to assets slash js slash. First one, Bootstrap internally depends upon jQuery. That is why what is the file, sir? jQuery. And in the same way, we have drop downs in our Bootstrap. That is why we need to load a new framework. What is the one, sir? Popper. And finally, we are having Bootstrap. Finally, we are having what is the JS, sir? Bootstrap.js. So these are the things we need to write in our index.html. So these are the ones. These are the script related one, and this is the one we are going to copy. Another one we need to load our CSS by using link tag. By using link tag. Let me copy this one. So once it is ready, your Bootstrap is integrated with what, sir? Angular is integrated with the Bootstrap. Angular integrated with the Bootstrap. Sir, from where we get the popper.js? You can download, or you can use whatever I can provide. I provided this one. So right now you can see here. Yeah, getting started. Okay. So this is where the popper JS is also available. You can download from the internet, or you can use the whatever the one I provided. Whatever the one I provided. So just control S, it will save in your system. Control S, it is save in your system. Otherwise, you can use my own provided one. Let me show you that. Assets JS the popper. Okay, you can use the Doraya, you can use mine, or you can use downloaded version also. Both are fine, but you need to place in what folder? JS folder. Now everything is ready. Now let me show you the project related things. So every integration is completed. Now we need to work on the next steps. We need to work on the next steps. Sir, what are the things you need to work on? So let me show you that. Component.ts, let me remove all the old example code. Everything is ready now. So once I open the application in my thing, always it will go for what's a app component. Always it will go for the app component. So that is why we need to write the layout related one in the app component. Sir, how to define the layout? Tell me about the layout related one. Very simple, sir. Observe, most of the e-commerce application will be look like this by following the structure. Observe, this is a this is a web page, and in this web page we are going to have the thing like this one, and in the same way it's going to be have the structure like this. Now here I'm going to provide the header. Here I am going to provide the menu, and here I am going to provide the content area. Here I am going to provide the footer. So this is nothing but normal application layout. Normal application layout. How you are organizing the data is nothing but what's a layout. How you are organizing your UI area is nothing but we call it as what's a layout. Now tell me, it is divided into different slots or not? So right now in Angular, which parts never reload, sir? In Angular, which parts never reload? You already know the answer, sir. Or should not reload? Header, as well as what, sir? Footer. Menu, header, menu, footer. Menu will change the header and footer, and I can say header, menu and footer. Now observe, most of the time we change what area? Content area. Now we need to create the similar kind of layout here itself. Now I am writing, observe, in Bootstrap we call this one as navbar. In Bootstrap we call this one as a what's a navbar. So observe, everything is ready. Here I'm going to say this is my navigation, and here I'm going to say product list, and everything is ready. Now in the same way I need to provide the routing related also. Before we are going to jump on to the routing related one, now let us go and let us run this example. CMD ng serve. Now observe, in my example, in my project, what are the things I need to have, sir? User related functionality, as well as product related functionality, as well as what's, sir? Cart related functionality, as well as order related functionality, as well as what's, sir? Order related functionality. So my requirement is how many components, so many components I need to develop. So in order to make it effortlessly without writing a complex code, what are the modules I'm going to take, sir? User module, product module, cart module, as well as what module, sir? Order module. Within a minute, I'm going to do this one. Now observe, compiled successfully. Let us go to the application, localhost colon 4200. Now you can see the application UI is good or not. We have the thing ready. Now tell me what is the next part, sir? Whatever the requirement we can do. Guys, is it very easy or not? Now you can understand what is the shortcut I am using, sir. Very simple shortcut. What is the shortcut, sir? B4 hyphen. What is the one? Nav bar hyphen. What is the one? Default. Sir, how to get this shortcut? How to get this shortcut? So you already know all these shortcuts are nothing but what, sir? Extensions. What is the extension you need to you need to install, sir? What is the extension? Bootstrap for Ashok Koi extension. What is the extension we need to install? Bootstrap for Ashok Koi. The author name is Ashok Koi. That is what I installed, sir. So everything is there. Now let us run with the next parts. Let us run with the next parts. Observe routing. In Angular, we always use what, sir? Routing. Routes.ts. Observe a hyphen. Why it is not coming? A hyphen route. Just a minute. Let's see the shortcut for this one. Okay, there is another one. Let me run this exam. Run this shortcut. Ng hyphen router app module. So this is the way we are going to download this one. So right now observe, very simple. We are going to create what is a module, sir? A separate module, routing module. A separate module, routing module. So right now it is expecting some components here. What are the components it is expecting, sir? Home component as well as what? Header component. Here we are going to display. Here we are going to display. Observe. Some image slider in our example or not? Tell me guys, in any e-commerce site, what is the one we are going to have, sir? We are going to have the header menu as well as we are going to have what, sir? Some image slider. Sir, how to create the image slider? I'm going to show you this one. This is nothing but I call this one as a welcome component. What is the component we are having? Welcome component. Let me create the welcome component today. Welcome dot component dot html, and as well as a typescript files, welcome dot component dot ts. Welcome dot component dot ts. So let me create those two files. First one, a hyphen component, we have the welcome and the corresponding ui. I'm not writing anything fancy here, very simple one, welcome. So component is ready. Now tell me corresponding ui. How to, in this one I want to display the image slider. How to do this one, sir? Very simple. A hyphen, sorry, in the bootstrap we need to use before hyphen, we call this one as a carousel. We call this one as a what's a carousel. So right now observe, this is what it is doing. So right now by default it will display all the related things for us. So right now what is the one we need to do, sir? Template url not changed. Okay, thank you Pasha. Welcome component. So right now very simple. What is the one? Hyphen default vertical. So right now we want to display some good background images, sir. That is why I created this folder, banner images. This is nothing but I'm going to copy all these static images in our assets folder. Now let us go here. In the date src folder, we need to provide the corresponding things, sir. Observe src, and here also we are going to configure the corresponding ones. Let us remove everything. So let me see how many images in my banner images are there. 5 images, 1 2 3. I guess it is both are same. Let us change it to image 4, and this one also let me change to, okay, this is the png. Let me change to 5. Okay, you're able to see. So everything is there. Now observe in what folder it is there, sir? Assets. Assets, what file, what is the one, sir? Banner. So I have 5 images, that is why I'm creating 5 carousel items. And in the same way here also we need to configure two more things, sir. 0 1 2 3. So here I'm going to say 3, here I'm going to say 4. So right now observe assets slash, what is the one, sir? Banner hyphen image slash image underscore 1 jpg. Actual image path I need to configure. Assets banner hyphen image hyphen 1 jpg. Though everything is good, sir. So let me copy paste all the ones. So I have the 5 images, sir. That is why 5 items I created, 4 as well as 5. So everything is ready. Now let us go. Component is ready, as well as the related things are ready. Now let us go. Let us create one more component. Observe, it is nothing but I name it as page not found component. I'm going to name this one as a what component, sir? Page not found component. So all in all web pages we need to configure, in all web applications we need to configure this, sir. So instead of writing a separate web page, let me write a separate web page also. This one, what is the web page name? I'm going to configure HTML. So here I'm going to say page not found. Some good UI also we need to create sometime later, not today. So right now here I'm going to say page not found. So everything is ready. Yeah, you can observe everything is ready. Now what is the next step, sir? What is the next step? Register. Where I need to register, sir? All the components I need to register in our declarations. Now observe, go here. What is the first component I created? Welcome component, comma. What is the next component, sir? Page not found component. Remember, whenever everything is ready, we need to configure what's a routes also. Now tell me, welcome component is ready, as well as page not found component is also ready. So everything is there. Now once you complete everything, what is the next step, sir? Register in our module. So right now we need to load what is the module name, sir? App hyphen routing module, as well as what is the module I need to load? Router module. Tell me, routing is finished, as well as what's a router module is finished. Now go here. Here I'm going to configure what is the one, sir? Router hyphen outlet. Router hyphen outlet. So everything is ready. Let us run the program once again. First slide, third, second slide, good. So let's see why images are not loaded properly. Inspect element, app root, welcome component, carousel, inner, item, asset slash banner email. Everything look. So let me see what is the problem with the welcome. Okay, let me copy manually. Yeah, might be the problem with the things is 2, 3. Let us configure other items also. 5. Yeah, see, sir, you are able to see the content, right? Sir, are you writing any carousel related logic? Are you writing any carousel related logic? No, sir, we are not writing that. And in the same way, we are not writing any anything here related to the layout. Everything is configured by, sir, the carousel related logic. Are you writing, or Bootstrap is taking everything, sir? Bootstrap is taking everything. So Bootstrap will do all this work for us. All this work for us. So right now, observe, the image is centered now, and we have the links also. See, sir, in the same way, indicators also there. Left arrow, right arrow also will work. So this is the way I'm able to create what's a carousel. This is the way I'm able to create what's a carousel. Tell me how easy it is. So right now, are you writing the code, or you are generating the code, sir? Are you writing the code, or you are generating the code? You are generating the code. That is why it is easy. Sir, do you need to remember everything here? No, sir. You don't need to remember single line. All things are automatically generated by using the extension. By using the extension. So this is a sample layout. Observe. Right now, I am writing one imaginary route ABC. Tell me, ABC is a valid route or invalid route, sir? ABC is a valid route or invalid route, sir? Invalid route. Invalid route. Automatically Angular at that time will redirect to what web page, sir? Page not found component. How you configure this one, sir? Sometimes in the interviews they will ask you this question. Right now, observe what I am doing. If anything doesn't matches, it means star star means what, sir? All match. So right now, if I don't find any possible routes before, it will by default it will redirect to what page, web page, sir? Page not found component. What is the web page it's going to be? Go page not found component. So let me show you 404 image. Right now, what is the default path, sir? What is the default path? Welcome. That is why it is going to what web page, sir? Welcome web page by default. If I don't provide anything at the time, default web page is what, sir? Welcome component. So let me go to the page not found component. So right now here I'm going to say div class margin top hyphen 5, and in the same way image src equal to, see, sir, in this way I can configure our own page not found related things also. You can configure your own words also, sir. So as width equal to 300, height equal to 300. So we can write the some information about this one also. So right now, this is the way I'm going to work with what, sir? The UI related one. So right now, sir, okay, you completed the basic workflow, sir. What about the next one? We need to create, what are the special folders, sir? What are the folders I need to create? User, product, cart, and order. Sir, how to proceed with this one? Observe, I'm creating a new folder. What is the first folder, sir? User. The same way I need to create what, sir? Product. And rest of is your homework, sir. So right now in the user folder, as we discussed earlier, what is the file I need to create first? User.module.ts. In the product also, what is the file I need to create, sir? Product.module.ts. And in the same way, in the user routes related information, what is the one, sir? User.routes.ts. And in the products also, what is the file I need to create, sir? Products.routes.ts. Product.routes.ts. So these are the files I need to create. These are the files I need to create in each and every directory. So right now your homework is what, sir? Work on the cart as well as the order with a similar structure. So right now in the user module, we need to write some logic. You already know. Observe a hyphen, what is the one, sir? Module. I don't have any components right now. I am empty. So right now everything is good. No need to write anything, sir. In the same way here, I need to import, what is the first module, sir? Common module. Remember these points. What is the module I need to import? Common module. Everything is ready. And in the same way, I need to configure in the product also. So right now, what is the module name I am having, sir? Product. So user related routes should be there in what folder? user related one, ng hyphen feature module. So this is the way I'm going to configure. Right now I don't have any router, that is why empty. In future I will add these router. So right now, in the same way, observe here I'm going to call this one as a user routing module. And in the same way, let us go to the products, and here I'm going to say product routing module. So everything is ready. Now observe, in the user we need to import what module, sir? User routing module. As well as what is another module? Router module. So guys, the same way I need to, in the products also, what is the thing I need to register, sir? Next one, what is the one? Product routing module, comma, router module. So everything is ready. Now in my project, what are the components what are the different things we are having? We have the app module, app routes, and the corresponding related components are ready. And in the same way, in the user, what are the modules are there? Module related files are there, and product also. Finally we need to integrate everything with the app. Finally we need to integrate everything with the app. Remember, when you are importing, we need to import what module? User module, comma, what is another module we created, sir? Product module. All your child modules first. Remember, what is the one, sir? We need to import user module and product module, app routing module, and router module. So right now my application, what is the main module, sir? App module. What is the main module we are having? App module. What are the child modules we are having, sir? User module as well as a product module. So everything is ready. So in the same way, let me show you. I'm going to create the cart, and as well as I'm going to create the order also. Order, and here also we are going to call this one as a what module? Order module. So in the order module, we need to download the order routing module. So everything is there. Now in the same way, let us go with the so cart module, and as well as what is the module, sir? Cart routing module. Everything is ready. Now tell me, this file name should be cart. So this is the way we are going to develop our code. Now tell me, what are the new modules are added? We need to register the same in our what's it? Our project. Observe, what is the one I am doing? First one, order. Order module, not the order routing module. Order module, comma. What is the next one, sir? Cart module. So everything is ready. Now tell me, my entire project is integrated now. My entire project is integrated now. Now tell me, in this project, what are the things we are having? Order is there, cart is there, and product is there, user is there. Your job is, next step is what, sir? Create the registration page and the related thing. So let me show you how to do this one. I am going to show you very simple one. I'm going to call it as what? Login dot. What is the next one? Component dot ts. And in the same way, observe login dot component dot html. And in the same way, we need to configure what is the one, sir? User dot service dot ts. User dot service dot ts. So right now we can discuss about the services part tomorrow, not today. So let us go with the component. Tell me what is the component we are going to have, sir? Form. And we are going to configure the id and user id, input type equal to text, and name equal to id, and as well as ng model equal to id. I'm writing very basic code, sir. Now everything is ready. Let us go with the component. What is the one I'm writing? A hyphen module, sorry, a hyphen component. You can see what is the web selector login. Now template url login. What is the component, sir? Login component. So everything is ready. First step is what, sir? Register the one. Now let us go here. What is the one we are going to configure? Declarations. What is the module name, sir? Login component. Sorry, login component we created. And in the same way, we need to prepare one ID. Otherwise, it will give you the issue because I use it here. Next step, configure the route for the same. Very simple. Route dot eager. What is the path we are having, sir? Login path. And what is the component we want to display? Login component. So everything is ready, sir. What is the first step? Create the component, register the component, and as well as configure the route. Now everything go here. Now in the app component, in the menu, let us create a link here. So right now I am creating the link. Observe. What is the link I am creating, sir? Login. What is the link I am creating? Login. Do I need to use a href? Tell me what is the one I need to use in my anchor tag. You already know, sir. We discussed this one multiple times. Very good, buddy. Very good. I like you guys. What is the one we are having? Router link. Now observe. In router link we need to configure. In router link we need to configure what's the login path. So what is the path, sir? Login. So let us verify successfully. Okay, template url. Let us go. Yes, Dilip, exact point I am about to mention. So right now what is the one? We are using ng model. That is why we need to import. We need to import one module. What is the module, sir? Forms module. We need to import what module, sir? Forms module. So observe, import @angular / forms. And what is the module we are having, sir? Forms module. So everything is ready. Let us go. Compile successfully. Let us go to the UI. See, sir, we are displaying the related one or no? I can beautify this one within a minute, but right now we are able to do the one. So right now, by seeing the output, can you tell it is coming from the main module or from the child module? By seeing the output, sir, only output. As a user, can you guess what is the module it is coming from? No, it is not possible. It is not possible, sir. But in Angular it is taking all this difficulty Angular itself and it is displaying for us. So this is your homework for today, creating this structure and prepare the things so that you can continue the remaining project related thing. I'm going to export all this code into our shared drive. Create user. Dilip, if you do in the route, you need to import the, you need to do the some types related configuration also. You may run into the issues. I do sometimes. So please do it carefully. Okay. Most of the time that is, it is almost similar, but it is little bit different. It is little bit different. User, product, cart, order, modules. So we created the one. So guys, your job is what? Practice this one. So I'm going to provide you all the project code as well as the app assets as well as index.html. June 15th. Project 1. So I provided the code, as I will provide you the notes also. Code. For initially we need to do in this way. Once you are understand all the integration, you can go with the npm install delete. Okay. First we need to know the integration part. Once integration part you know, you can go with the npm install also. That is also fine. At the early stages we do like this, but once you understand this one, we will do with the npm install way. That is the best way. Guys, again I am telling, project sessions are very very important right now, the today's class. In this way you will have the complete means end to end related things. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss some other topic. Day after tomorrow I'm going to discuss some other topic. My suggestion is practice all the things as well as practice the project related example on the day itself, on the day itself, so that you can implement whatever you learned earlier in the project. If you don't practice, you will lag behind and all the crux will go. Guys, again I'm telling, practice. Okay. Tomorrow we can meet at the same time and we can discuss about the product display as well as the layout structure and other parts also, other parts of the angular. Okay. Tomorrow we can meet at the same time. Thank you guys. Yes, I will share.